Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear cookies from a specific website in Google Chrome. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is open up the Google Chrome web browser, and you would navigate over to the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser window. In this version of Google Chrome, it's three vertical dotted icon. Left click on it one time, and then go down and left click on settings. Now you want to scroll down on this page until you get to advanced, and then you want to left click on advanced to expand the advanced selection. Scroll down until you get to content settings, control what information websites can use and what content they can show you. Left click on that one time. Now you want to left click on where it says cookies, allow sites to save and read cookie data. And now you want to go ahead and select where it says see all cookies and site data. You want to click inside of here one time, and it should give you a list of all the sites that are currently having cookie data on your computer. And if you want to remove individual sites, just left click on the little trash can icon next to whatever the respective entry is, and that will remove it from your cookie list. Over each trash can icon, it gives me the option to remove it. So let's say I want to remove CCleaner's site data. Just going to click on that trash can icon, and removes it, no problem. So I'm going to close out of here, and you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.